Everyone, good morning once again. This is a Tita Yagi channel. I walk around here in the public forest of Sunans. It's a very nice forest here in France because it's clean and there is a guard and they allow you to walk around and you can pick up whatever you want beside cutting the tree, of course. Suppose try to search a mushroom, but for instance it's very dry, the land, as you can see, so dry. Beautiful. Today it's today 9 of July. Forgot, it's 9 of August. I think you find something mushroom. I'm coming. Forest Dominial de Sunans, France. You find something there? It's what kind of mushroom? You know, because there it's humid. That's why, Jared. I like so much to search mushroom. This tree they cut it a very long time ago. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Beautiful property. This one is a semi-castle, right? This is the one. Oh, nobody stay there, Papa.
No, you have people. Of course. Big park. When you are here, it's good because you are very near of Verdun.
It means this is a flat one.
This is
farmhouse. Many Swiss people buy a farmhouse.
You're not here.
Look at the hay.
Not here. Close to Macron, yeah, but not here.
Very well arranged.
Ça c'est pas du foin, hein. Ça c'est de la paille.
Paille for the horse.
For the work in a factory for Panasonic, you know.
Ah, Panasonic. That's why he received many boxes of the Panasonic delivery.
Yeah. Before, right now it's finished. We cannot have any more.
Why?
Because one stupid guide, he say, "Oh, this is good to deliver the goods," and then now they deliver the goods with this.
Aha.
Again, a poor farmer.
We talk about poor, but in reverse, rich farmer. You see the materials they have?
Oh,
It's
my
very
God.
impressive.
Just to move the land,
That one is to move the land.
7 meters large.
It's really, they need that because they have 100 hectares to do reverse. This village is very flat.
Yeah, the area is not nice. This one is a very tradition, this one, oh. That one is old. What is this post? It's a guard yata yan, before. But I like also when you decided that to buy, Papa, it's not only here, you look other of course.
region.
No, I want to go to another region.
Bordeaux,
Oh yeah, Dordogne.
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 Patrice, he said he is the one do all the renovation if you buy a house.
Very good.
The one he like too much on Forex also.
And you know, we can buy like a compound here, his own house.
It must be Forex.
Yeah.
No, not been like the Forex. You like babies in the Forex? You have your doggy. Wait. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and share this video. Bye. Tree collapsed during a very strong wind here in Normandy, France. This is a forest of Sonance. A tree collapsed during the strong wind.